Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem codes via mobile app or via your iPad. So just like via mobile or iPad, you need to go to this website. I will put it in the description box down below. But basically, this is the official March DLC code redemption. I swear to you, this is not like just like a random website. This is from the official Dress to Impress itself. If you just look at their Discord account. You basically log into Roblox. Make sure you log into the correct account, of course. I'm just going to select continue here. Then you're going to select confirm and give access. Okay. I guess I've exceeded the rate limit, but basically in that website, you're just going to redeem the code that you have, and it's going to automatically be in your inventory, like your makeup inventory, of course, on Dress to Impress. But that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm sure it will work for you. I don't know why it's not working right now for me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.